This video is going to be on how to use the drawing tools in TradeStation. So you'll see right up here, you can go up to the drawing tools tab right up over here, and you can manually click on any of these and then, start, doing lines and Fibonacci and stuff like that on charts. Now, you can just click on it each time like this, or you could also come down here to toggle drawing toolbar, and then that makes it easier. So it shows the toolbar on the side of your chart. So this makes it way easier to access the different drawing tools. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll just show you a few of them. But right up top here, you'll see the crosshairs pointer. So when you click on that and you go over here, it goes to, you can see the cross and then the crosshair and the different tops and the bottom of the candlestick. So you'll see as I'm moving my cursor, I can move it to the tops, below, left to the right and the top and below of the candlestick. So that's for the crosshairs. You have the arrow pointer. So like if you're just, want a basic pointer, you have the arrow and then you have the crosshairs. The next thing I'll show you is drawing lines, so horizontal lines for support and resistance levels. Right up here, you can click on horizontal line and click on it here. So what, if I'm clicking it back here, it extends out to the future, which very important when you're drawing support and resistance. What happens in the past many times affects the future. So, after I clicked it here, if I want to do it again for another one, you do have to click on horizontal lines again. So it's a little bit annoying where you got to click. It's not too bad, but you do have to click it each time to do the different levels right here. So you can see the lines right over in here. So by default, after you click on something, it does go back to the arrow pointer. So now if you're like on these lines, you can, if you want to delete one, you can go over, click on it, click delete on your keyboard, or you can right click on it and remove horizontal. So you can click on the line, right click on it, or so you can delete it or right click and hit remove. The other thing you could do is go to the chart. I'm using a mouse. You could right click, go to drawings, and then remove drawing objects, and then choose what you want to remove. Obviously, these are lines right here, so I can click on horizontal lines and click OK. If you want to edit the trend lines or the horizontal line, you can click on here, edit the horizontal line. This is where you can go in here and change colors and set alerts, stuff like that, the style. So you can change the style, the color, the alerts, labels, stuff like that. So if you want to edit, you can edit them. Next thing I'll show you is the horizontal or the trend line right here. So if you click on trend line, if you want to kind of draw your trend lines up over like this, we'll do something like right over here. So for example, here, same thing, you have your lines. If you want to go in and edit them, just kind of click on the line or right click, edit trend line. And this is where you could change the different colors right over in here. So this is simple to use, the drawing tools. I like them. I wish, you can kind of just stay on it and kind of use a little bit more without having to click a little bit more, but it's not too bad as long as you have this toolbar. So to add that toolbar, again, you just go right up over here to drawing and click on toggle drawing toolbar. So by default, it goes to the cursor, but most popular things are doing those horizontal and vertical support and resistance levels, those trend lines, and then you have all the different options right over here. Really easily customizable. They have clean charts and their drawing tools are simple to use. So hopefully this video helped you with their drawing tools. We also have several other TradeStation videos that you can watch. So we have a whole playlist of videos for TradeStation on our YouTube. So if you want to learn more about how to customize the charts, use their platforms, do other different features, you can watch our playlist for TradeStation on YouTube.